Question 20 of the 2013 KCPE maths paper says, the table below shows the number of candidates who sat for a certain examination in the years 2008 and 2009. And so we're given a table here where we have years on the top year. So we have year 2008, year 2009. And on the left hand side we have gender, girls and boys, and then we have the number of girls who sat the exam in 2008, the number of girls who sat the exam in 2009, the number of boys who sat the exam in 2008, and the number of boys who sat the exam in 2009. And we asked how many more candidates sat for the examination in 2009 than in 2008. So what we have to do first of all is find out the total number of candidates who sat in 2008. They're the total number who sat in 2009. And then from these two numbers here and here, we need to work out the difference. So the total number of candidates who sat in 2008 is the number of girls who sat in 2008. That's 328,652. Add the number of boys who sat in 2008. That's 367,125. So let's do this addition. 2 plus 5 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, 8 plus 7 is 15, so 5 carry 1, 2 plus 6 is 8, add 1, that's 9, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So the total number of candidates who sat this particular examination in 2008 was 695,777. So next step is to find the total number of candidates who sat in 2009. That's the total number of girls who sat in 2009 and the total number of boys who sat in 2009. So we have 345,454 for the number of girls. For the number of boys, we have 381,600. So let's add these two numbers. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 0 carry 1. 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 carry 1. 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 7. So we have the total number who sat the examination in 2009 as 727,054. So we need to subtract 695,777 from 727,054. So let's do that. So we have 727,054 subtract, what was this number again? 695,777. So let's do this subtraction here. So in order to subtract 4 from 7, we're going to have to borrow 1 from the tens column. So 5 here becomes 4. We borrow a 1, so 14 minus 7 is 7. In order to subtract 4 from 7, we need to borrow a 1 from the hundreds column, but there isn't a 1 there. So let's look at the thousands column. We do have at least a 1 there. So 7 here in the thousands column becomes a 6. The 0 here in the hundreds column becomes a 10, but we need to borrow this so we can use it in the tens column. So this becomes a 9. We borrow a 1 like so. So we get 14 minus 7, that is 7. 900 minus 700, that is 200 here. 6 minus 5, that's a 1. We need to subtract here 2 from 9, but obviously we need to borrow a 1, so we can't subtract 2 from 9 straight away. So we borrow 1 from this column here. We get a 12 here, so 12 minus 9 is 3. 6 minus 6 is 0. So our total answer is 31,277. That's the additional number of candidates who took the exam in 2009 compared to 2008. So our answer here is B.